Welcome. This time we're searching for the compound ibuprofen. First, since the name ibuprofen was found to be associated with several Inchi keys, a Inchi key selector pop-up appears. Select the relevant Inchi key for your purposes, and after successfully loading the information, the compound page will appear. This compound page contains all the information about the experiments associated with the compound and the concentrations used in the measurement. An important feature of Toxgram is its concentration browser plugin, which you can find under the expandable panel titled Concentration Browser. Concentration Browser gives a quick overview of all the concentrations used with the compound, which contains two different data representations. First, all the data retrieved from multiple databases is presented on a concentration axis where each bubble corresponds to the relative number of samples at the specified concentrations. For example, for ibuprofen, we can see that at 50 micromolar, 16 data points with the activity values are found. Second, all the retrieved data is used to draw a distribution plot across the whole concentration range where data was found. Here, according to the peak, you can see that quite a lot of data was found around the same 50 micromolar range. Initially, the concentration range displayed encompasses all the data, but often a user is interested in the data in a specific region. There are two possible ways to zoom in. First, the user can use the distribution plot to zoom in by dragging the ends of the plot towards the desired region, or by simply drawing the region using the crosshair pointer. The second approach is to have the mouse on the upper plot and simply using your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in or out. Also, by pressing down the mouse left button, one can navigate left or right on the plot. Notice how the zoom area in the distribution plot also changes. Of note, if some of the data is outside of the zoom area, the navigation buttons either on the left or right side turn red. This means that there are still some data points on that side that are not actively displayed. Now let us zoom in to a specific region around 0.5 micromolar. Here you can notice a data bubble that is drawn as a pie chart. What it actually means is that this concentration contains two kinds of data. Data from bioassays and analyzed data representing an activity value. Since the activity values are also displayed separately row by row, we can see that the activity value is actually corresponding to IC50 value. These types of data representation are useful if a researcher is interested in a specific concentration where different types of data is available.